the president votes no, it still turns on. If the president votes yes, and the vice president and the secretary vote no, still turns on. If the treasurer and the vice president vote no, it still turns on. And if everybody votes yes except the vice president, it turns on. If everybody votes yes, if the president and vice president vote yes, secretary and treasurer vote no, it will still turn on. Or it won't turn on, sorry. If everybody votes yes except for the secretary, it'll still turn on. Everybody votes yes except for the treasurer, it still turns on. And if everybody votes yes, it turns on.